Hey guys, we get questions quite frequently about what is the best way to maintain your sneak boots, to clean them, to make them good again after you've been on a stalk. Well, this last weekend I used mine and they got dirty, as you can tell. So the first thing I usually do when I get home, I will take them and I will just beat them off, beat as much crap off, use them to rub each other off. Just get as much of that stuff off there as you can, okay? And then on these new boots, we've improved the design on these boots. It's really easy to access the foam in these boots. So basically, they've got a slit right here on the top side of the boot, and basically all you have to do is reach in and pull that foam out. Pull it off of there and get it out of there. Then you can set this foam to the side, and you can take that and go throw it in your washing machine. Now if they're really dirty, muddy, that kind of thing, your wife may not like you if you throw it in your washing machine. So maybe rinse them off in the sink, clean them up the best you can, then throw them in the washing machine, or if they're real bad, take them to the laundromat. But yeah, throw them in the washing machine and then let them dry out. You can hang dry them. You can put them in the dryer if you want to, but yeah, just clean them up, and then once you're done, you just open them back up, you stick that foam back in there, and you are ready to go again. So I'm gonna go put these in the washer, and we'll let you see them when they come out. All right guys, pretty easy. So we got them out of the washer. They look great, smell great. So time to put the foam back in. So the easiest way for me to do it is I roll that heel box and that heel tab backwards out of the way, so it's out of the way there. Then I open up the slit and I fold that in half and I stick them in. And it does take a minute to get it to fit in there right. You just kind of wiggle it in, wiggle it around until it's all nice and pretty in there. And that's the easiest way to do it. First time or two, it'll take you a little bit longer to do that. But after that, it's pretty easy. So check us out, www.SneekTec. If you have any questions, feel free to message us, give us a call. Email us, whatever you want to do, just get in touch with us. We're happy to help, and we're not a big company, so anytime you call, you talk to one of us. Anyways, there you go guys. She's all ready to go, ready for the next hunt, and you will be too. Get you a pair of sneak boots.